Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on sports events with Ticketmaster. Easy tutorial step-by-step. Start by visiting the Ticketmaster website. On the homepage, use the search bar to find the event you want to attend. Once you find the event, click on it to view more details. Look for the Find Tickets button and click on it. On the ticket selection page, notice the different pricing options available. If you want to save money, look for tickets labeled as Verified Resale. These are often sold at lower prices compared to standard tickets. You can also filter tickets by price range to find what fits your budget. Make sure to check the date and time of the event before making a purchase. After selecting a ticket, review the seating chart for the best available options. Pay attention to any service fees that may apply. Consider creating a Ticketmaster account if you don't have one. Having an account can help you track your purchases and manage your tickets. Look for promotional codes or discounts that may apply to your purchase. These can sometimes be found on Ticketmaster's promotions page or through partner sites. Once you've selected your ticket, proceed to checkout. Fill in your payment information carefully to avoid any errors. Review your order before finalizing the purchase to ensure everything is correct. After completing your order, check your email for confirmation details. This will include your ticket information and any further instructions. If you need to sell tickets, use the Sell option on your account dashboard. Listing your tickets for resale can also help recover costs if your plans change. By following these steps, you'll maximize your savings on sports events through Ticketmaster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.